This is our day trip from El Calafate in the southern part of Patagonia up to the Perito Moreno Glacier. Absolutely amazing trip. You come through desolate desert to get here, and you come around the corner and there's just this amazing sight. It is one of the most beautiful things I've seen. It's absolutely massive. It goes back miles and miles, but at the front edge there it's about 70 metres high, and at the edges it drops to about 40 metres. We're all waiting there for a big dump of ice to go. We hear large cracks all the time, but I never managed to get one on film. So there we go. That water outside's about 2 degrees, and everything felt under control and placid, and there I was stood at the front row. But in a second we come round the corner a bit too fast and I get absolutely soaked. But here we go. Look at that, the cobalt blue in the ice just looks fabulous. So here we go, coming around the corner a bit too fast. I get absolutely soaked in freezing cold water and nobody tried to help me. In fact, they backed off and meant I was stuck in the middle getting soaked. Anyway, there we go. That's just to prove how cold it is. All the ice flows around it. It really was a tremendous experience being out there. So if you're ever on your travels near El Calafate, jump on the bus and come out and see this amazing glacier. It's really been one of the highlights of the holiday so far.